Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure your United Explorer card with Chase. Start by visiting the Chase website or opening the Chase mobile app. Log into your existing Chase account using your username and password. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one by selecting the option to enroll. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Accounts section of the website or app. Locate your United Explorer card from the list of accounts displayed. Click on your United Explorer card for detailed options. Select the Settings or Card Services tab to access your card settings. Here, you will find various options to customize your card preferences. To set up or modify alerts, choose the Alert Settings option. You can enable notifications for purchases, payment due dates, and account balances. Next, return to the Card Services menu to set up automatic payments. Select the Payments option and choose your preferred payment method. Enter your bank account information if you're linking an external account. For points management, click on the Rewards section. You can review your current points balance and explore redemption options. Consider setting a rewards goal to maximize your card benefits. If desired, also configure your travel notifications under the Travel section. This will ensure that your card works correctly while traveling internationally. Once you finish customizing all settings, click Save to apply your changes. Review your preferences to confirm that everything is configured to your liking. Finally, log out of your account securely after completing the setup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.